Yo, 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 what up, fellas? Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Give me a second here. Let me pull up the screen over here and we're going to dive straight into these charts, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So let me come over here real quick. Let everybody know. All right. Give me 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Bam. Copy. Everyone. We are live, baby. We are live and we are ready to go. We're ready to crush these markets. We know what to look for. These markets have been extremely volatile, and with volatile comes tons of opportunity. All right. So going into the day, we're going to do a quick pre-market plan here on ES and on NQ. All right. So first things first, we got good news. All right. We got good news over there in the war, or what seemed to be good news. Hold up 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'm not sharing. Let me share. All right, there we go. There we go. Yeah, so what seemed to be good news, regardless, right, without getting political, the market's extremely volatile. So with volatility comes tons of opportunity for large moves and for us to capitalize on those moves, right? So going into the day, I'm going to treat this day the same way I treat each and every single day, all right? I'm going to start off by identifying my key levels, right, which is our pit numbers. So that's going to be previous day high and EOD specifically on ES, right? Let me make this bigger here. Bam. Yo, and we got this really healthy 1 hour trend. Check this out. So this is the sweet spot, right? So right here, I'm going to go sweet spot. Bam. All right. This is the sweet spot. What does that mean? That means we're probably going to get some opportunity there, right? We're probably going to spot some great opportunity. Either buyers or sellers are going to take control of this level, and we're going to look to take advantage of it. All right. So that's the sweet spot. And a couple things I'm seeing right here too is buyers held that 1 hour 20. All right. This right here is the 1 hour 20. So what does this tell us, right? This tells us that the 1 hour trend is relatively healthy, all right? And with healthiness comes continuation, right? Acceptance. So I'm looking for buyers to show their strength today coming into this level to take the market long, targeting 6895 and 6912, all right? Now, if sellers have a different game plan, all right? If sellers come in, they're going to show us by controlling one of these levels. All right. Might be PDH, might be EOD. And in the event sellers take control, we're then going to short them back down to the 1 hour trend at 20. All right. Probably EOD to start. And then we're going to short down to 6852. Basically, it's all really depending on what the market tells us. But honestly, when it comes to shorts, I'm probably going to be a little bit more patient just because of what that 1 hour trend looks like. Okay. That 1 hour trend is hella healthy. Like when you got an RBI on the 1 hour trend, chances are buyers are probably going to defend that. This spot right here. So we'll look to see if we can get a little money off that level. Let's take a look at NQ. NQ, extremely similar. We got previous day high, EOD. That is most definitely the sweet spot here. We're looking to see who can control this level. Right? A nice retest this level would be glorious. We got a really nice candle right here, respecting that 1 hour 20. Once again, this is exactly what a healthy trend looks like. There you go, Keith. All right. Look at that. Look at them buyers right here, too. I feel like we haven't been on a live in weeks. Right? Whether it was the holiday, Easter, spring break, whatever it may be. But today I'm looking to absolutely crash this market with you guys. You know, just staying patient, staying diligent. We know what to look for. So that's my goal each and every single day. Just capitalize on that edge. All right. So let's get it. All right. 16 seconds here. Let me make sure I got all my stuff pulled up. And we're going to get this money. All right, 5 minute time frame looks really good. Once again, this yellow box right here is definitely key. I'm probably looking for buyers to maintain control right here, and bam, there they go. There they go. Let's see what happens. Super volatile area. Super volatile area. You gotta, stay calm, stay patient, stay focused. Right. I always like to remind myself I don't need to make every single play. Right. I just gotta be right a couple times. Right. That's literally all. That's how I like to look at it. That way it's not so critical, bro. Trading, like, I mean, we're all traders, right? We know it's so easy to make this game so complicated and just detrimental and like, oh my God, I don't want to miss it. Oh, it's like all this pressure. I like to alleviate all that pressure, right? Alleviate the pressure, stay calm, stay focused. And let's see at the end of the day, if we can get some healthy markets, we're going to crush it. For anybody that's looking to join our team, take advantage of them resources below. Phenomenal resources that are going to give you everything you need to absolutely crush the market. We're starting a new round of the Academy coming April 25th. All right. So every Saturday at 11 p.m. is the Academy. Really good resource. Great people there. Look at these buyers. It's exactly what we expected, right? Like this is a healthy trend. Look at where the 1 hour's at. Right? Like 1 hour, nice and clean, not too extended. That 20 is getting a lot of love. We broke above that level. We retested that zone. Very nice push there. This is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking for. Absolutely. Let's take a look here at the SPY daily chart. Interested. All right. So the reason why I love chart and SPY is it doesn't. It's easier to identify the key levels, right? The pit numbers. So when I'm looking at this, I'm going, okay, any buying acceptance above PDH is longs up into 68207. And then we got 68337, right? So let's look at this. Perfect. Perfecto. Look at that, baby. Push. Push it. And over here, we'll throw up SPX, right? Because SPX be telling me stories because there's no pre-market data, right? Pre-market data can literally become a nuisance. I'm like a firm believer in that. Like, look at SPX here. If we fall down below PDH, it's going to start looking a little bearish, right? And that's information you wouldn't really get to see unless you were watching SPX, right? Massive gap up. Yeah, definitely watching previous day high. Let's put about the 2 minute because I'm not going to lie to y'all, I do like. So this is very important. What happens at PDH is very important. A break above PDH and a fall back down below is very bearish. Like if we fall down below PDH, that's not bullish. Let's just say that. It's been a great week. Yesterday was a great day. Every day is a great day, bro. Like, come on, man. Things are going good, man. And we're over here in Syracuse, New York. It's starting to get nice out. That's beautiful, man. We're not used to that. We are definitely not used to the sun. We got the sun out. My daughter's not going to school today, so we're going to be chilling. Got a bunch of stuff to do on this wedding, man. This wedding is, I got to go get a tuxedo. Got to, go do all that crazy stuff. Let's watch this 2 minute 20 here. I'm not really interested in entering on this 2 minute 20, but I still definitely want to watch it. We retested it. It's starting to get a little flat. Looks like sellers could be showing a little bit of strength right here. Let's see here. See, we're getting that sell-off, falling back down below PDH. Bro, NQ is telling a way different story. Oh, you see this on NQ? All right, okay. NQ said, listen, bro, I'm going to leave y'all in the dust. I said, listen, dude, I'm going to leave you in the dust. If you can't hold your weight, that's on you. That's what NQ said. Listen, if you can't hold your weight, I'm leaving you in the dust. All right, let's get it. Yeah, sellers definitely starting to come in a little bit, falling back down below the open, coming into that sweet spot. This is key. Remember, this is key. This is key. Watch the sweet spot, y'all. Healthy 1 hour trend. What I want to do? Let's go back to SPY. Look at these sellers, dude. Look at that. All right, so downside, right? Let's just get super clear. Downside target is gonna be end of day, and then selling pressure below EOD. I got a target 67712, 67639 for all my options traders. Obviously, EOD is going to be extremely important. And remember what we talked about in the pre-market plan. I'm going to be a little bit more patient. I mean, listen, if I get my strategy, I got to take it. If I get an RBI or a GBI coming up here on the sell side, I'm taking it. No, there's no if and but what, huh? None of that. I'm taking it. It is what it is. If I get my criteria, I pull the damn trigger. That's the beautiful part about trading a system. Ooh, look at this AOV. We got a little AOV retest for all my scalpers. Might catch a little pop right there. But then moving averages looking like they about to cross. So let's stay a little, just a little patient. Let's stay a little patient, okay? Stay a little patient. NQ's looking a little bit bearish, even though she's not. NQ's actually looking bullish as hell. I honestly might take a long play here on NQ. Look at that, bro. It really depends here what happens at open print. I just don't like the break above PDH. Unable to hold. PDH is unable to hold right now. Yep. Buyers on NQ. That's just playing regular AOV and healthy 1 hour trend right there. Look at that. Now, if sellers can't hold this, we could get a really nice move to the upside. So let's see. Let's see what we get. Yeah, that's nice right there on NQ. Should have popped in that, wet the beak a little bit. Just typical AOV, 5 minute 20 retest. That'd have been a scalp. That'd have been a quick scalp play there. See how it came right into that 1 hour trend? I like that. I like it. SPY's coming right into that AOV we were talking about too. That's the power of an AOV, guys. Look, price comes right into it. Those sellers start to stomp out. And this is exactly what you can get, right? Like that's the power. That is the power of AOV. I highly recommend you trade AOVs in this market. First thing I'm going to probably want to do, though, is just make sure the market's not being a major con. You know what I mean? Excuse my language, but the market's been very wicky. It's been very indecisive. We want to make sure today's going to be a little different, right? We don't just want to hop in things. And, you know, it's been very wish-wash, back, forth, up, down, all over the place. So it's important to wait for the strategy on a day like today, right? Like it's you know, listen, you guys know me. I got no problem with hopping in some stuff if it's not perfect, right? As long as like other context is there, right? But right in these current markets, guys, I've been extremely selective with my trades. I'm trading significantly less. And it's just that typical rule of thumb, right? Where, you know, if the market is in an unfruitful environment, we should probably reduce how much we're trading, right? Reduce size. stuff like that. But let's watch SPY. Starting to like downside plays. Got a nice GBI up here too. We are in that little sweet spot, and we're coming in at 1 hour. The key thing, though, for me, I'm sure you guys can agree, is buyers couldn't hold yesterday's high. Okay, typically means it's a liquidity grab. So let's just see how that ends up playing out. Let's see how that plays out. NQ. I'm going to keep my AOV at the pit number. Ooh, look at that 1 minute 20 holding to the bear side. NQ, dude, look at that. Dude, NQ's been stealing money like crazy, guys. These market swings on NQ, be very careful if you trade NQ, bro, because they're coming for all your money, right? These swings on NQ, it is very, very difficult, in my opinion, right? I'm not the perfect trader, but it has been exceptionally difficult to, if you're trading NQ, you must be scalping it right now. I'm talking tight entries off the 2 minute 20 with larger risk, and I get in and out when I'm trading NQ straight up, because these swings here, trading them mini, it's you're gonna get got. Yeah, like this candle on a mini is literally gonna cost $500. So you gotta you just can't play around, right? You gotta just be patient. You gotta wait for it. And when you see it, you got to pounce on it. You cannot hesitate when it comes to NQ price action right now. ES, you might be able to get away with a little bit more, but NQ, poof, you got to be high and tight, baby. There's no room to lack. All right, that 1 minute 20 is still holding pretty good. I am watching NQ though. If NQ could get above and respect open print, we might get a potential long play. Because remember, we're in that sweet spot right now. We're in that sweet spot. The 1 hour trend is bullish, so sellers they tend to like to come in a little strong. But once sellers lose the ball, this thing can take right off to the upside and rally for the rest of the day. So it's really just staying patient, letting this thing kind of formulate, and depict the story that it's trying to tell us. Dude, I'm drinking this drink. My girl got me this. This thing is extremely healthy, right? Because I tend to have stomach issues, so this thing is really freaking good. It's got 200 different. Look at all the ingredients on this thing. This thing is no joke. I definitely recommend it though. Better ain't got no sugar though. Yeah, almost no sugar. All All right, NQ, what you planning, bruh? What you planning, babe? This is another thing why our strategy is very effective. It's like until it presents, I'm pretty much in chill mode. I'm chilling. I'm just chilling, man. Not doing anything crazy. I'm not trying to scalp anything or like be wild, right? Nothing wild over here. Boys, just staying patient. This is how you gotta weather the storm right now in these markets, bro. You just gotta be patient. Look at that on NQ. There it goes. Starting to try. I don't trust it just yet, though. I think it's still choppy. And this trend line needs to be completely disrespected. All right. Sellers on ES. If they wipe that green candle out, I'm going to be a little frustrated. Not going to lie. I want to see that AOV hold. That 1 hour trend is really bullish. We just got a battle going on right now. It's a literal battle. Previous day high seller versus the 1 hour trend buyers. Pretty choppy here on NQ. What we getting? Any love? We getting any love off that 1 minute, that flat 1 minute 20? It's probably going to be the one right here, Todd. It's probably going to wick into it, rally. I'm kind of, that plays with my 1 hour trend pretty good too. I want to at least see a red candle ignored here on the 1 minute to support it. All right, sellers, watch. All right, guys, so watch what happens here when this candle comes into the low of the previous candle. Watch it. Watch it. We're coming into the low. Can we break it? Can we break it? I think we just broke it. We broke it. We broke it. All right, so I'm not in short yet. Okay, I'm not in short yet, but this is the strat. I want to see a little bit of a pullback here. I don't just want to hop in this just because that 1 hour trend is really good, but that is the strategy. All right, technically that is an entry short with a stop above the previous candle. Let me see. Dump, 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 dump. I want to see a pullback of some sort. Give me some sort of pullback. Only reason I'm a little hesitant on this is because that 1 hour trend, I probably should have just hopped in. But let's see here. Stay a little patient. It's okay to be a little patient. Give me a pullback, baby. Give me a pullback, baby. NQ is looking bullish. It's another reason why I didn't just hop in. All right, we're coming up, retesting the AOV. I want to see how these candles respond to retesting these guys here. Watching 1 minute 20. That could be a massive bear trap to the downside, guys. We've been seeing a lot of that lately. Watching the 1 minute 20. I tell you what, if the 1 minute 20 holds, I'm going to take a stab at shorts. I want to see it wick into it, though. I just don't really like that 1 hour trend, but I do like the fact we fell down below PDH. All right, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. I like it. May have missed the entry. That's okay. Is what it is. Let's see. I do like this short. I wanted to see it tag that 1 minute 20 there. It looks like we kind of missed it. There it goes. So I'm looking for an entry that can support, and honestly, we're still in that pre-market AOV. So I wanna, there it goes. Now we're breaking it. See ya. See ya. Who caught it? Who's in that? Look at that. I should have just pulled the trigger on it. All right, watching him pull back. Come up into the AOV. Two-minute looks really good. I didn't even see that. Look at that 2 minute 20 retest. Still looking a little wicky. All right, we're tagging the AOV. Tagging it. My first target's super close too at EOD. So I'll go for a scalp though. If we can get a retest of that 1 minute, like I said before, I'll entertain. I'll hop in short. All right, here we go. Here we go. Can we get it? Tagging the 1 minute one. Tagging it. It's getting a little flatter. What's left? 1 minute. We got 30 seconds on this candle. Tagging it. I think buyers are going to take it. But let's see. The strategy's telling me she's bearish. But the 1 hour is telling me she's pretty bullish. All right, I'm taking something small here. Very tight risk. Very tight risk. We're going to put it like right there. See if she can hold. I'm going to throw $100 on this. Let's see. We're going to give her a little room to breathe. I do like that 5 minute trend. I don't like that little fake out though. All right, 2 minute 20. 2 minute 20 risk. Yeah, let's see. Come on. What does sellers got? What does sellers got, baby? What do they got? Ooh, I like it. Stop above the previous 2 minute candle. Let's go. Let's go. We just went in the beak. We just went in the beak here, guys. We just want to see what these sellers are capable of. That's all. That's all I'm trying to do here. That's it. Let's see. The 2 minute 20 is definitely trying. It's definitely trying. Let's see. Can it try good enough? Can it hold? Can it hold? Give it a little room. We're going to put it right there at 150. It might get me clipped. All right, now let's see what happens on the rest of this candle. Mm-mm-mm. All right, I'm going to hold off on hopping back in short, even though that's probably going to be the push down right there. All right, let's take a look at NQ. Let's go back to the drawing board right here. That was good execution, though. I got no problem with that execution. NQ is just definitely a little bit more bullish. And I'm also watching to see this AOV on SPY. I want to see if this can continue to hold. If this AOV can't hold, then the day is going to be very bullish. Just like yesterday. That's exactly how I traded it yesterday. I took a loss shorting the market, and then once sellers lost the ball, I took a long play that was extremely successful. Yeah. Kind of flat, super flat 20 right here too on NQ. Patience. All right. Let's get it. Let's go. Super flat, dude. Super flat. What's my 1 hour telling me? Yeah, it's to be expected. She's choppy. That's okay, though. She's making her decision. I'm telling you guys right now, if sellers end up losing this, buyers are going to come out they're going to come flying out the gate. NQ, I'm just waiting for an RBI or GBI. If NQ, it looks like that 20's holding, that 1 hour trend's healthy. We're back above open print. NQ is like it looks pretty good. Nothing that I genuinely want to get into. Watching SPY. There comes sellers on SPY. It's patience. It's when you just gotta stay patient, guys. There's just really nothing good there. That 20 is extremely flat on the 5 minute too. Look at it. Super flat 20. It's patient. Staying patient. I know if buyers lose that, I'm gonna hop in. If I get an RBI right here, I'll take a long play. 100%. Like if this red candle right here gets ignored, I'm hopping in that long and I'm targeting PDH and above because I know there's a lot of sellers down here that are just got liquidated. NQ with the open print retest. NQ with the open print retest. Starting to look a little more bearish.
And there goes my sellers. Honestly, AOV never broke. AOV never broke. I wanted to play it too short. I wanted to be too conservative with the stop loss, and I paid for it. But I still don't think sellers. This is still choppy, right? This is still extremely wicky. This isn't good price action. It looks like sellers are starting to take the ball here, though. Maybe. And remember, guys, the market has been in a turmoil. We got to be ready at a moment's notice to just be like, dude, this is trash. I'm walking away. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to go into it with that mentality. I don't want it to be trash. I don't want to just blame it that it's a choppy market. But at the same time, I want to make sure that I'm not exposing myself in a bad market. But look at that. Look at how that AOV held the whole time. Boom. Should have kept my stop above it. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. That 1 hour trend's trying to shift a little bit. NQ doing the same, trying to shift a little bit. NQ's coming into that AOV. We got a very large gap here on the daily time frame as well. So, like, sellers could potentially show a lot of strength. All right, now we're coming up. We're retesting that AOV again on this guy. Yeah, I don't like this stuff, guys. This is the exact stuff I don't like trading. You see this? What are you supposed to do with that? Who can make money with that? It's all right. We're going to stay patient. Yeah, that's the exact stuff I really don't like trading. Very wicky. That's what we call garbage. Definitely size down if you're trading today. Size down. It's because this tells me the market's super indecisive, but at the end of the day, these sort of markets tear retail traders apart because we're looking for small wins. So what happens is we hop in and the market might go in our favor for a couple $100, but then it doesn't go all the way. And then next thing you know, we get chopped up. All right, so watch how that 1 minute 20 was disrespected. Right now, I don't want to short that, but what I want to do is see if sellers can show any continuation here. If not, see? If not, we're starting to realize how choppy this market really is. And, you know, we just got to play that accordingly, right? If it's very choppy like that, we just got to make sure we're aware of it and then try to play it differently. Two minute 20 retest. Not gonna lie to you, I'm leaning a little bit more to NQ today, guys. NQ is looking a little bit more valid. Honestly, this is looking like a long play here on NQ. All right. 2-minute 20 still getting some respect. NQ is still looking a little bearish. That AOV is still holding on SPY, but that 1 hour trend is still itching up, guys. That's still itching up. That's actually an RBI right here. That's an RBI. That's a RBI right there. Let's see. Oh. All right, we're coming into PDH here on NQ. I'm watching this close. I'm also watching SPY. I'm watching both these right here. We're at key levels. Sellers are showing a lot of strength here on ES. Same with NQ. This market's super just choppy back and forth. All right, so we're just staying a little patient. That's all. Staying a little patient. That 2-minute 20 is holding there. I don't like that one. That 1 hour trend, honestly, is just bullish. I feel like buyers are just going to keep fighting. Sellers are going to keep trying. Obviously, whoever's going to win is going to win. But I'm kind of leaning more towards the buying. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We got an RBI. We got a strong push that didn't have much conviction. But the moving averages are being respected. So what I like is that we're at a key level here at EOD. So if we can get like some bullish criteria to the upside, we're going to get a strong push. There we go. There we go. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes, love. Coming into the 2-minute 20. Look at this battle going on here, dude. Jeez. Coming into it again. That AOV keeps getting held. It's not a bad short play. It's really not. It's fucking garbage. It's way too wicky. It's super wicky, so I gotta stay away from it. I gotta stay away from it. I gotta stay away from shorts. It's holding though. It's probably valid. If somebody hops in that, I would not knock you. That's a good short play. At 2 minute 20 keeps holding. It's inside the AOV. NQ is coming up to PDH, guys. This is key. This is key. All right, yeah, it's starting to look a little bearish here on NQ. As we're coming up here into PDH, sellers are holding ES pretty well. Ooh. All right, so it looks like we actually came into EOD here on SPX. That's key. Very important. Yeah, that 1 hour trend it's just super bullish. So it makes sense. It makes sense. Super choppy market. Sellers are just trying to push. That's all what's happening. Sellers are trying to push, but buyers are really trying not to let them have it, which is why we're just not getting the continuation that we want off that 2 minute 20. Sometimes it's just not worth the mental capital. You know what I'm saying? Like when it's, if the market's choppy and, you're looking for moves, it's you got to be just patient. It's got to be patient. It's not worth it. That's way too wicky for me. What's NQ doing though? Because I'm not going to lie to you. I'm definitely watching NQ as well. Coming back up into the 2 minute 20 again here on ES. I think buyers are going to show some strength. Nice push here off PDH. There it goes. There it goes. So it was worth being patient, right? Worth being patient so far. When we take one trade is a loss. I'll take that. $1.50. Easy to make that back. Let's get this money. So another thing is this RBI held, right? This red bar that was ignored. This held the whole time. Starting to like it. Starting to like it. Starting to like it. Starting to like it. All right, let's see if we can get a play here off some sort of retest of this zone. I like seeing it, guys. The same thing happened yesterday. I shorted the market in the morning, and then it reversed, and I longed the market, and I crushed it. Right? Like it's the same exact thing that happened yesterday. I'm trying to do the exact same thing today. Sellers tried, they failed. So now I'm gonna keep my eye here on a potential long play. Just want to make sure I don't rush it. Stay a little patient here. EOD definitely had look at SPX here. Clear as day. Look at that. Bam. Buyer send. Booyah! It's mine. Let's hope it doesn't just rally like a bat out of hell. Let's hope it at least gives some sort of pullback. Please don't be retarded. Look at Todd. Look at 5 minute 20 here on SPX. Held the entire freaking time. That 5 minute 20. So now later in the day, we'll watch that for longs. Come on, baby. Come on, sugar. Come back to me. Give me something. Lord, give me a sign. All right, so we're up at open print. Now we got a healthy 1 hour trend. Let's get it, guys. I live for these plays. I freaking live for these plays, bro. This is where the bread and butter is made, right here. Bam. Come on. Give me a pullback. Pullback. I'm going to keep my eye on ES. I got my 5 minute up. I got my 2 minute up. Don't want to rush it. Market's still being a little crazy. But if we can come into this moving average on the 5 and get some respect here off open print, EOD, I'm going to be looking for a long play. All righty then. All right. All right, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what that 1 hour looks like. Let's make sure that 1 hour is supporting what we're thinking. Sure is. Might even have to play this off the 1 minute and give it a little more risk. Let's see. I mean, we don't necessarily know that the market's healthy just yet, right? Like, I'm not fully committed. All that I know so far is my edge presented and didn't have that much follow through. So once again, the 1 hour trend is kind of supporting my analysis right now. So that's what I'm looking to do. I'm going to look to take advantage of a retest here off 6870, potentially. Let's pull out the fib on that. That's where the 50 is. But we still couldn't get above open print. I like seeing us come tag that right there. That looks pretty. What's my 2 minute telling me? Maybe a 2 minute 20. That would be phenomenal. That's the 50 of that move right there. Is it? 50% fib. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, sugar. Come on. Don't do me so filthy. Stay patient. Stay patient, baby. Don't do me dirty. Please don't do me dirty. There we go. There it is. All right, so the 2 minute 5 keeps holding. How about on the way down? 2 minute 5 didn't hold that well on the way down. A little bit. Not perfect. NQ. What's NQ doing? SPX looks super bearish. NQ. Oh, snap. Snap. All right, so we got NQ. You leave, baby? Yeah, I love you. Call me when you're done, okay?
Okay. Yeah, right. I want to talk to him.
Okay, we'll call you. Love you. All right, let's see. Let's see what's happening. 2 minute. I mean, NQ is holding that 20. It's going to hold it. A lot of sellers got stomped out on that way down. We're coming into PDH, and we cooking. We cooking. We cooking. What's that on the 1 minute look like here on NQ? Ugh. I'm holding off. Staying patient. Staying patient, bro. Staying a little patient here. Staying a little patient. All right, coming up into PDH. So now I'm going to watch this level. The previous AOV. You guys see how I did that? See how I did that? You see how I did all that? You see what I'm doing? Yeah, I want to see it pull back into this level. Right here. 1 hour trends lining right up with it. This is looking pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty and witty and love. And I pity anyone who didn't stay patient. Stay patient. I'm telling you. Stay patient right here. Stay patient. Stay patient. Stay patient. Watching that 2 minute 20 on NQ as well. If we retest that 2 minute 20 on NQ, I'll take it. I don't think we're gonna. That 5 minute trend's holding really good. Look at that 5 minute trend, bro. That 5 minute trend looks good. It comes right into the 9. Buyers defend it. RBI here for longs. Watching 2 minute 20 here on ES. It's dicey because we're not above PDH yet. And we're not above open print either. Yeah, NQ's going for it, bro. Look, this thing's about to pop. It's about to pop. It's about to pop. Yeah, that 2 minute won't. That 2 minute is holding the 5 very well. 2 minute is holding the 5 very well. It's off though. It's just off. Something's off. Something's off, and I'm not rushing it. Simple as that. It is what it is. That might cost me. Is what it is. Look, 2 minute 5 is holding. What's up, baby? What's up, sugar? You wanna take my phone for a little bit and chill in your room?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll grab you once in a
I
while.
mean,
Not gonna be
we
long.
just woke up, so I could.
You hungry? Okay.
Could you maybe
Baby, you don't have to cry.
can you maybe um make this quick?
I
'Cause
can't,
I'm
baby.
really hungry.
It's okay. Here, stop crying. Stop whining. I can get you food, okay? Okay? Just give me a couple minutes. Okay? Ain't no crying on a day off. What? It's gonna be a good day. Hey, it's okay.
Okay, mommy left.
Baby, she's gonna be back in like 2 hours. She's just getting her hair done. You wouldn't have been there anyways if you went to school. It's okay. This thing's ripping. Frustrating market. Very frustrating. Very frustrating. But it is what it is. I gotta, it is what it is. If I don't get you guys know me. I got no problem with taking some stabs at stuff, but I can't just blindly enter in a long just because it's reversing. And that's all right. I'm gonna stay patient. I'm gonna wait for something a little bit better. That 2-minute 5s. I probably would have taken a stab if the if the 2-minute 5 held good on the way down, but it didn't. Right? Like the 2-minute 5 wasn't being respected that well on the way down. So this thing could potentially rally right here. And if it does, so be it. I really don't care because we got the skills to make the money regardless, right? I'm just staying patient. That 1 hour trend's not far away. We're a little bit closer now. We're at some key levels. We're at PDH. We're at open print. So let's just stay a little patient, see what we get. Right? I'm not in the mood to chase. I'm not trying to chase today. I think this is good though, right? Like think about it. What do we have right here? We have sellers losing the ball to the downside. And we got buyers showing up, taking it back. So now we're about to potentially get an entry coming up here in a little bit. Retesting open print. Let me see what SPX is telling me. SPX, same stuff. Retesting open print. NQ. We can't even tag the 1 minute 20. So it's kind of just like super aggressive moves. Like right here, super aggressive down, super aggressive up. It's Friday. I'm not trying to end how do I want to say this? I'm not trying to break character, right? I know my process. I know how to follow it. Plain and simple. I'm proud of myself. Usually I compromise for the good of the film, All right, ES. Coming back, retesting open print, retesting that trend. Let's see. I'm also watching NQ. Healthy trend here on the 5-minute. So something that might help you guys too is I'll continuously watch what happens when we retest the previous candle's low. Right? Like if we can't break a previous 5-minute candle, that trend's pretty healthy. Retesting open print here. PDH, this is dicey. This is dicey right here. There it goes. It's just like the market's extremely slow and then it takes off. Right? It's like watching paint dry and then out of nowhere, boom, it'll take off. 2-minute 5 here is showing a lot of strength on NQ. A lot of strength. I mean, same with SPY. It tells me the buyers are very aggressive. I like that retest off open print. I don't know. Sometimes you could get too yeah, this thing's a little stupid. Let's see what oil is doing. Let's check out oil, Sparky. Anything good over there? Let's see. Nothing crazy. There goes SPY. Bucko. Jenny, what do you want to eat, babe? You want your drink? Okay, baby. All right, guys, I gotta go make a waffle. Give me like 3 minutes. This thing's probably gonna rally. All right, Jenny. Here you go, baby. All right, let's get this money. Let's get it. Let's get it. Is that 1 minute 20 off PDH? Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, sugar. It's a little dicey. There's no RBI, no GBI. Hold up. Where we at? Where we at? All right, let's stay patient. Let's stay patient. Let's stay patient. Watching the 1 minute 20. Look, guys, this is why we didn't rush. We stayed patient. Really no play. I mean, yeah, possibly you can always scalp, but this is a perfect example of like once you have your process and you know what your process is and it's personalized, trading gets a little easier. Oh, snap. Look at NQ. This is definitely like a B+ setup here on NQ, but I might take this long. Might try something here on NQ. Is that tagging at anything, any moving average whatsoever? Oh, yep, it is. It is. It sure is. All right, so I am in MNQ, Micro NASDAQ. I'm going to try something light here. Let's see what we get. Nothing crazy. But I want to see if this can continue here. Let's see. We're going to go 5, and we're just looking to play this trend to the upside. Let's see. I'm playing that 1 minute trend, so let's watch it. Let's watch it. Come on, baby. We're playing into the highs, but let me see what that 1 hour trend looks like here on NQ. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, right? Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Something light, though. Let's identify this guy. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we can button that up, get some continuation here. Come on. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Yep. She ugly. She ugly. She ugly. I am going to see if this can hold. It's looking a little dicey, a little ugly coming up into the eyes here. Let's see if she can hold. 1 minute trend needs to hold. If that don't hold, it is what it is. You just gotta, in these markets, you just kind of gotta swing it and see what you get. Yeah, these markets are challenging. You like one thing I'm realizing is you really want to keep your stop outside AOVs in these markets. You really want to keep them outside AOVs, which means you want your entries as close as possible. I'm not liking this 1 minute candle, so I'm going to decrease the risk a little bit, just a little bit. I took one con off. Nice fake out candle right there. Good. That's what I like to see. Let's see if she can continue. It's like if the odds aren't staying in my favor, there's nothing wrong with just taking a little bit of risk off that table. That's how I see it, at least. We're pretty far away from that 5 minute 20. I'm going to stay optimistic, though, on this. Buyers have been pretty bullish. Let's see if we can get this continuation to the upside. Let's get a nice power play. Boom. Looking at target 25395. 25. Where are you at? 25395. This is going to be my upside target. Spies above open print. Potential RBI coming up here on SPY. Potentially. Yeah, she ugly. She ugly, bro. This is what I'm talking about with NQ, bro. She will play with your heart. She will play with your heart, my friend, in many different ways. Like that. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. Come on, let's get the push. Let's get the push. Let's get the push. That's the shit I'm talking about, guys. That's the shit I'm talking about. Some news. What did Trump just tweet? That's fucking crazy. That is massively retarded. Let's watch ES. I might put on one more play. What's up, baby? All right, retesting that AOV here on ES. But buyers failing above PDH is definitely a little bearish. Retesting the AOV. This is why you can't take shit personal in this game, guys. You just gotta take it, run with it. Now let's just go back to the drawing board real quick. Let's go back to the drawing board and just see what's going on. All right, so we have a 5-minute AOV, which has just been retested. We have Insane Chop. What's that news? All right, more shit about Iran. Stupid. Retesting this level here on NQ. Do I want to take a short play, Todd? I can't. That 1 hour trend is healthy. It's super healthy. So honestly, NQ. This might be the long on NQ. Let's draw that trend line. Open print still looks good. Let's see where the fib's at. You got to really start using some different tools on days like this. Watch the fib here on NQ, guys. I know this is dicey. This is super dicey. And I might honestly regret it. But I'm honestly starting to I might take a long play here as we bounce off open print. What's open print? Open print is 25315. $25315. We're literally bouncing right off open print. All right, I am taking one more play here on NQ. This is definitely dicey, guys, but I think it could pay out pretty well. I'm going for a move here. Let's see what we get. We're playing off that AOV. We're playing that pump and dump that we just got there from the news. It's super dicey, but we are trending up. I want to see what we can get here. All right, come on. I ain't afraid of no quick pullback. Bless you. Bless you. Let's see what we get. Playing off the AOV. I'm putting another one on. I'm feeling bullish with it. I'm feeling bullish with it. We got to get above that. Come on. We got to get above that one-man twin. One-man twin's got to break. Let's break. Let's break it. Stop below the previous 2-minute candle. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. That's why you trust the AOVs in these markets, guys. Trust the AOVs in these markets. We're not out of the water yet. But they're trying. It's trying. It's trying. Open print needs to hold. Pump fake. Give me the pump fake rally to the upside right here. Come on. Come on, Key. Yeah, my stop's got to go like right here, unfortunately. I'm putting a lot of faith on that 1-hour trend here and off open print and that AOV retest. A lot of faith. Basically, the larger time frame is pretty bullish. We retested the AOV, so I'm really putting a lot of faith on it. I don't know how I feel about it. I could have maybe waited for a little bit more like confirmation, so you say. But let's see. Come on. We got our stops in place. I'm not gonna lie, that 5-minute time frame looks pretty good. That's the fake out candle right there. I feel like that's the fake out candle to the downside. I've seen that a lot of times. I'm actually putting one more on. That's the fake out hammer, Todd. That's the fake out hammer, bro. That's the fake out hammer. Watch. That's the fake out hammer. I'm telling you. I've seen it before and I'll see it again. That's the fake out. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Look, ready? Fake out hammer candle. Rally. Rally. Give me the rally. Give me it. Give me the rally. Give me the rally. Give me the rally. See, you got to be a little retarded in this game. You got to try things that you're not used to. You just got to trust the AOV and see what you get. Dicey play, but if we get an RBI, she's going to cook. Come on. Oh, you guys can't see my beautiful face no more? Hold on. That's the fake out hammer. I'm telling you, I've seen it so many times. I've entered into it more times than I should have, chasing the market. Let's see what we get. That's the fake out. Fake out love. There it go. There it goes, baby. Come on. Who's in this? Is anyone in this crazy play with me? If anyone's in this, let me know. I want to know. It's definitely a little unorthodox. But it's an AOV retest. There it goes, baby. Come on. I'm putting another one on. I know it. It's retarded, but you got to do it. I've seen this before, guys. I'm telling you. I've seen stuff like this before. That's an RBI on the 5-minute time frame. That's the RBI on the 5-minute time frame, Todd. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. Your boy studies these AOVs, dude. I'm telling you. This is the sort of shit you get. Massive fake out. I'm just trying to get realistic here with my upside target. What's that 1 hour trend telling us? It's telling us it's healthy. I got to hold this. I got to hold this. I'm not super happy about it, but I got to. I got to. There's the retest. So far, what do we know? Open print held. AOV held. 1 hour trend held. Right? So honestly, the market's pretty bullish right now. It's pretty bullish. It's choppy, but the overall story is a bit bullish. Come on, Dave. Come on, baby. Come on, sugar. I really don't want to risk 400 on that. But you know what? I'm already in it. I got to commit to it. It is what it is. I'm in this. I'm in this. I'm in it. That'll put me, that 700 to the upside is going to put me exactly where I need to be. I don't focus on the negative. I focus on the positive. That's it. Come on, bro. There's no way that candle's that freaking dirty. There's no way. There's no way. That's an RBI, bro. That thing's going to hold. That thing's holding. That thing is holding, bro. This is all just fake out. Come on. Watch the AOV. It's going to hold. Dude, we're right at open print. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Choppy ass market. But look, it's still valid. It's still valid, bro. Come on, baby. That's still valid. Everything is still valid. Look at that 5-minute. Buyers holding the 1 hour. Buyers holding open print. Play the story. completely and entirely. Come on. It's what we do. This is what we do all the way. Choppy market, all of it. Don't matter. Like when we listen to our tools, we get a little better shot. I'm going to keep my mouth shut because I don't want to get cocky and stupid right now. Watch the rally. Push. Trump's going to tweet some shit. This thing's going to cook. There it goes, Todd. Watch, bro. Watch it. That 5 minute, that's the pump fake right there, baby. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Come on. Come on, baby. Give me the rally. Give me the rally, bro. Give me the rally. Give me the rally. Rally, rally, rally. Push, push. One minute trend still valid, or the 1 hour trend still really valid. Stella. Oh my God. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. This is why it's all about the AOVs, guys. It's all about AOVs and the larger time frame story and just trusting this strategy. Trust it. Taking one off. Don't be stupid. Take some profit. Look at that. Todd, I'm super pumped that you hopped in this with me. This is a sketchy ass play. It's very sketchy, and I don't recommend everybody trading stuff like this. But when the AOV got respected and the 1 hour trend was healthy, I was in it. I was in it. And that fake hammer candle. That fake hammer candle right there, that looks super bearish. I had to go for it. All right, I want to make sure I'm not wishing for the stars over here, though. Let's put a limit sell. We'll put 3 right there. ES is coming up to PDH. We got to break it. Yes, sir, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Taking another one off. Just don't hurt. Don't hurt to lock in some profits. I'm watching ES for a potential long play, guys. I got to hold this, guys. I got to. I got to hold this right now. ES is struggling off previous day high. This is ES right here on the left-hand side. It also respected the AOV to a T. Now we're coming into the 2-minute 20 here. Watch ES, guys. I'm telling you. We're getting paid today, guys. That 1 hour trend's healthy. She's going to keep going. I think she could potentially break high of day and rally up into 25395. I like it. I like it. Dude, look at ES right now. Come on. Break. 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 Rally. Rally. That 5 minute looks golden, Todd. We've retested the AOV. The 1 hour trend's healthy. I'm expecting a red candle. That's fine. That's okay. The trend could still be valid with a red candle right here. Don't like ES struggling here at PDH. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. All right. Taking a little off. All right, baby. I'll be right there. What? I'm watching these buyers here on ES. If we could pop above PDH, NQ is going to rally. All right. Watching the 1 minute. Watch the 1 minute 20. Come on, baby. Support that RBI. Man, we struggling at PDH here. No, we ain't. No, we ain't. I got a break even in. So if I get clipped, I get clipped. We can always get back in. I don't want to give no money back. I was able to pull like 170 out of that trade. So you know what? That was good. 2 minute 20. 2 minute 20. Last stop, 2 minute 20. Oh, baby. She's holding, T. She's holding. Oh, bro, she's holding. She's holding. If she holds, I'll add in. Because we're still next to that 1 hour. Oh, bro, I love watching this. This is the shit I live for. Oh, bro, look at that. Come on, baby. All right, it got me. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Great trade. Bro, that's filthy. All right, I'm just doing something small here, and maybe it's not that smart. But I think this still has something. I think it's still got some legs in it. Yeah, might not be the best play. It's the 1 hour trend is what I'm really leaning on today. And technically, we are inside an AOV. There it goes. Come on, give me the push. Give me the push. Give me the push. Give me the push. Give it to me, baby. Give me that push, love. Come on, man. This is what we do. This is exactly what we do. Bro, ES needs to get above open print. There we go. Todd, I'm back in it. Guys, I'm back in it. I'm back in this. Back in this off the 2-minute 20 right there. Look at it go, bro. Look how freaking beautiful it looks. Look how freaking beautiful it looks. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. Give it to me. Give me the RBI. Give it to me. Give me the RBI. Let's go. Come on. I'm loading up. I'm loading up. I'm loading up here. Give it to me. Give me the RBI, dude. Healthy 1 hour trend. AOV retest. RBI. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'll risk 150 on this. Let's go. Come on. We need a new high. Come on. It's what we do, guys. It's what we do. See, when you study the AOVs, you study my strategy, you're able to flow in and out of the market like this, baby. Let's go. Nah, I think we're going to pop, bro. See what happens when you trust the 1 hour trend? You trust the 1 hour trend, and typically you can get really good moves, even in choppy markets. All right, take a little bit off. Take a little bit off. There we go. Healthy 5-minute trend. And we are back at the battle. We need this AOV to continue to hold. I'm trusting that 1 hour trend. I'm trusting that 5-minute trend pretty hard right now. Bless you. Bless you. Trust it. Just trust it, guys. Gotta trust it. ES with the RBI, guys. Who's in ES right now? Is anybody trading ES, bro? ES is pumping. Oh my God, I gotta do it. I gotta freaking do it, dude. I gotta take this. I gotta go for this. What do I got? 7. Let's put 2 like right here. Let's go. Let's go. So now we're playing off the AOV. Look at ES. Look at ES. Damn. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Yo, Todd, this is beautiful. Who else is in this with me? Is anyone else in this? Sparky, you in this? Come on. Healthy 1 hour trend, guys. AOV retest. I know the market's been scaring us. She's been lying to us. She's been really filthy, but we got to take these. You have to. It's not a matter of like, we got to take these. We have to. We're not always going to get perfection. Got to go for these, guys. Come on. Not watching PNL. I'm just watching the trade. Looking for a blast off right here. Blast off. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's get that crazy rally. Oh, yeah, she rolling, bro. Is you rolling? Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Is you rolling? Bitch, I might be. Come on, baby. So SPX is at open print. We break open print like this, we gon' rally. SPX is freaking rolling, bro. Bitch, I might be. Bitch, I might be. Let's go. It's the hardest $200 I had to work for in a while. I don't know, y'all. I'm opening this stop way up. I think she can go far. Come on. Give me the take profit on 2 of them. Give it to me. Bam. Trim 2. Trim 2. Let's rally. Trim 2. Let's rally. Upside target 25395. 29395. This is our target. Great job. We are out of the red. Looking to secure around $400 play. Actually, that's like a $700-800 play. Great freaking job, guys. Coming back strong, bro. I need W's in the freaking chat. W's in the chat. I feel so freaking gay saying that. I need W's in the chat, bro. Freaking gay ass YouTuber. Come on. See, guys, we stuck to the process. We stayed patient. We stayed disciplined. I'm opening this way up. Proud of you guys, man. This was not easy. This was tough, man. This was a tough one. Take profits on one more just to lock something in. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Break even. Because we're coming up towards the highs. I really like what I'm seeing on the on this 5-minute chart. Let me go 5-minute. Look how bullish this looks on NQ. Bro, Todd, we got in right here at the low. We got in at the low off the AOV retest, bro. Now I've got out, re-entered, but still, like I'm proud of that, dude. I think we did pretty good. Taking just a little more profits. So I could at least be up 100. I was down almost $400. So we made 500 on this play so far. Great play, dude. Great freaking play. Once again, this is why risk management is key. This is also why learning to take losses is very important. Like, if I couldn't take that loss on the chin, I wouldn't be here right now. You got to take the L on the chin. There we go. I'm being retarded. I'm being a little retarded right here, but I'm going for a wild, crazy scalp. This thing's stupid. Come on. Stop right below the 2-minute candle. Let's go. Let's rally. Give me my money. Give me my money. Let's get the scalp. Let's get the rally right here. Oh, no. She might look too pretty. Yeah, that's the fake out on the 2-minute. Stop right below the previous 2-minute. Come on. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right. I'm out. It's a good play. Honestly, I kind of like where I got out. Look. Look at the drawing board. Right there at that high day retest. All right. So now, guess what we do, guys? We look at the next AOV and look to play it. We understand the story. So now we just rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat. I'm going to watch ES too. It's a good play. We came back. We're just getting started now. Give me a retest. Give me a retest. Oh, man. Is she going to play me? All good. All good. All right. Watch SPY. Look at, dude, Johnny, everybody, healthy 1-hour trend, guys. Don't sleep on this shit. Do not sleep on this. This is not where we hesitate. SPY is at previous day high. It's at open print. We have to, hold on. We have to watch this. These are key levels. ES. I might take that long on ES. Not yet. Not yet. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. Not in it. Holding off, even though that's probably going to rally. All good. Damn, MNQ right off the 1 minute 20. Is it? Shit. All right, I'm holding on. Damn, sucks. I should have made the 1 minute 20 my stop because she's probably gonna rally. Mm-hmm. Look at ES. Look at this. All right, watch the AOV retest, guys. Don't rush it. Watch this thing end up rallying today. This is why. Chris, you remember you asked me a while ago, you're like, yo, how do you know if it's just going to keep going, this 1 hour trend? That is exactly how. That's super healthy. We want to see steady price action just rising. Yeah. All right, that's an RBI in the 5 minute right there on ES. That's an RBI on the 5 minute on SPY. All right, I'm watching this. Give me something good. Give me something good to participate. I am in it. Something little. Up into this upside target. Might not be the smartest play in the book. But let's see if we can get a rally here. Let's see if we can get a rally. Give me the rally. Give me the rally. Give me the rally. Give me the rally. Yeah, I did not see that target right there. I'm trying to scalp this. See if we can scalp it. Nope. Clipped. Clipped. It's because I screwed up my charts, too. That was stupid. That was stupid. All right, right up into the upside target and reversing a little bit. I want to see buyers sustain this. I got my money back, though, so now I could trade with a little ease of mind. That's a technical foul. Yeah, that's looking a little ugly. She's looking a little ugly. Yep, there we go. Ready? Watch the AOV retest, though. Watch the AOV retest for a long. That 1 hour trend's still healthy, guys, so I'm not shying away. I am watching you, baby. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I am watching you. Back into the AOV. And this might not be smart, but I am taking a stab at a long play. I'm risk 100 on this. I'm just looking for a little scalp to the upside. This is dicey. It's super dicey. That's a green bar ignored. That's really not the best long play. Should have waited a little bit on that, guys. That was stupid. Wasn't that smart. I'm going to put my stop right here. Just playing the AOV retest right here. Off PDH. These trades feel so damn uncomfortable, but it's hard to pinpoint like the right entries. But let's see if we can get. I like my risk. I'm only risking $100 here, or 137. Where is it? Like right there, 137. So let's see if we get. It's right at the 2-minute 20. Oh, bro, and the 2-minute 20 is about to hold. That's genuinely what I should have waited for. All right, she held. Stop is going to go. Where's my 1 hour trend at? That's what I need. What is this? Oh, it's going to clear. Oh, shit. I'm going to put my stop a little 125. I want it below this candle right there. Let's see what we get. I don't think buyers are done. Bless you, Chen. It's just a really like engulfing ass candle to the downside. So I want to try. Ooh. PDH retest. Coming up to PDH, retesting it. Come on, sugar. What's my 1 minute doing? Yeah. I fought them sellers a little quick, but I think buyers got it, bro. We're going to stay positive right here. I think buyers can hold this. I really do. I think they can hold it. Yeah, that was stupid. That was stupid. This is going to be the one that holds. But I think this is where I take a break, honestly. Yeah, watch. This is going to be it. I should have, would have, could have. So what? You bitch. That's what I get for rushing it. I shouldn't have rushed it. Because when I rushed it, I had nowhere to put my stop. I really do want to long this because we couldn't close outside that 20. Do I, though? No, I don't. I don't want to long this, guys. Yeah, I'm holding off on it on longs. Great price action. Watch this AOV retest at the low right here, next to the trend. Give me a hammer candle coming into it. Oh no, that selling is looking pretty violent. All right, we're breaking that AOV. That's bearish. Potentially. All right, this might be my last trade. I'm trying a long right here, believe it or not, and that was definitely stupid. All right, so I gotta take a break. I'm trying things that I usually don't try. That's what choppy markets will do to you. So I'm gonna take a step away. I'm gonna, get a quick workout in, get my head right, eat some food. Keep an eye on a short play coming up here. I think we could potentially get a short play. And now that we're getting a cross, sellers are showing a lot of strength. And this trend line is looking to break right here. So if you ever feel like you're trading and, you want to like in the market's just super choppy and you're like, oh, let me try this, maybe it's time to take a step back. You know what I mean? It's been a tough morning. I'm walking away down 200. I've come back from way more than that. So I'm not worried about it. But the key is to realize when you're trading well and keep trading, and when you're not trading well or you're starting to do things that you're not usually doing, that's when you take a step back. So definitely one thing you should watch though while I'm gone is the criteria to the downside. A green bar ignored would be great play down to end of day. All right. So I appreciate you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to hop back on a live or if I'm just going to update in the Discord, but either way, you guys will be able to see what it is I'm doing. So I love y'all. Keep crushing it. Keep killing it. Don't get too infused in this bad price action. Wait for the strategy. Wait for the criteria. Don't be retarded like I was. Peace out, guys.